Do you ever just get like a craving all of a sudden you're dying to eat something? God, but I would like to eat a piece of pizza right now. But at the same time, I would have to actually buy a full pizza and have to eat it all by myself because right now I'm alone. If I could only make just one, maybe like a slice one, that would be so good. I really like pizza. First off, we're gonna be putting 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into a small microwavable bowl, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and now we're going to be mixing all of our ingredients together to create the butter of the pizza. Now we're going to be spreading the butter and get it kind of like ready so we can add the sauce. Now you can add whatever you want to the pizza, but of course, don't forget the most important thing, the cheese. Wait this for a minute and 30 seconds, and you're done.
Hi guys, I'm Tracy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel because next week, guys, it's finally back. It's October and it means a bunch of Halloween inspired videos. And I've got like a lot of things planned. Some things you can use as decor, some things you can watch. I got a lot in mind for Halloween, and I'm dying to share all my ideas with you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be seeing you guys next week on a double version of all things Halloween. Bye guys!